Sorting an array. Sorting is the process of arranging items in a collection. Consider an example. Have you seen how tailors arrange shirts in a cupboard? They always keep the shirts in sorted order of size, and thus, when the tailor wants to place a new shirt, he will place it at the right position very quickly by moving other shirts forward to keep the right place for a new shirt. 44, 45, 46, 48 sorted. 43 unsorted. Consider the following array. 4, 7, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6. Here the items are not arranged in any order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Python has an inbuilt sort function, sort, to arrange the list in ascending order to sort an array. Example, numbers equal 7, 2, 9, 4. Numbers.sort. Print numbers. Result 2, 4, 7, 9.